Hello and namaste. This is Chef Arvind and today I am going to bring something special which is nougat, Italian nougat. It's very popular. It's also called torrone. Let me show you the recipe. Recipe has honey, sugar, pistachios, liquid glucose. बहुत simple recipe है, ज़्यादा ingredients तो है नहीं. Take sugar in saucepan. We add water. The step 2 is making honey hot. So we have a 2 sugar syrup. One is obviously the sugar syrup, one is the honey. And what we need to do, we need to start whipping egg white with little bit sugar in the recipes. The recipes you can see in the caption. We have a complete detailed recipe, you can just follow it. So there are 2 sugar, the bigger sugar for making caramel, the smaller one with egg white. So let's begin with the egg white also here. Egg white goes into a mixer. When you do this, always start mixing egg white very slowly. So when you have a slow mixing, it gives you, a perfect. Once sugar and water is melted, we will add liquid glucose to it. Liquid glucose we have here. What we can also do, we can take this liquid glucose and we can just do it in microwave. So it's a soft, it's easy to mix with this caramel. I'll tell you the temperatures, what you should remember. So now you can see a froth, and once you see a froth, this is the right time you can start adding smaller sugar in the KitchenAid. Honey we are going to cook 120 or 21 degrees centigrade, and sugar, water, glucose and 135 degrees centigrade. You can cook up to 140. Just make sure you check the thickness. If you get wrong, please come back. The honey is at 121, and now what we can do, we can start pouring it. While you're pouring, you need to be very careful. Now the sugar, water, glucose, which is cooked at 135 degrees centigrade, I'm just going to pour with the meringue, which is made with honey. So now our meringue is ready. Meringue, I won't say meringue, it's also a whipped sugar, whipped honey. So it's all together. What we need to add, we need to add cocoa butter. It helps you to avoid the moisture content. If you keep it airtight, it can remain good for more than a year. Pouring it cocoa butter. So once you cook your meringue, this is how it looks like. It's quite stretchable, and this is how it stretches well. Now we have a final last method. What is left is adding nuts. So I'm using it pistachios and cranberry. If you like hazelnut, you can absolutely use it. I would also recommend you can use salted peanut. It goes really yum. What we need to do, we need to add cranberry to it. Next we are adding pistachio, and we must take a nice de-scraper, something with the plastic, and we can start folding it. You can also mix by hand. The nuts which I have taken here is a toasted nuts. It's really good. So if it is toasted and if it is salted, it goes really well. The dough is ready now, and what we need to use the frame. You can use your cake frame. I have a plastic frame which is 10 mm thick, and this 10 mm thick, in total 3, it makes about 30 mm. And I'm just going to put all the dough inside. This is candy actually. Candy means something which we have. Candy is innovated 200 years ago in the world, and many varieties are there. What happens, cranberry also help you to balance the recipe because it has a very sour note. So this is the way it's rolled. You can also use another mat. Just roll using it mat. It's a beautiful clean finish and ready. The nougat is ready, but can we slice? No. So we can't slice right now. Obviously we need to wait for at least 5 to 6 hours, and the storing should be just in room temperature. Do not try to freeze because remember this has शुगर, एंड आपको पता ही होगा अगर किसी रेसिपी में शुगर ज़्यादा है तो शुगर को अगर आप फ्रिज में रखोगे तो शुगर सॉफ्ट हो जाएगा. तो इट्स नॉट एडवाइजेबल दैट यू मेक दिस रेसिपी एंड कीप इट इन द फ्रिज. दिस हैज़ टू रिमेन एट रूम टेम्परेचर. वैसी जगह पे रखना जहाँ पे मॉइस्चर कम हो. तो अगर एयर कंडीशन जगह है तो ज़्यादा अच्छी है, अदरवाइज लिटिल बिट मॉइस्चर फ्री और मे बी कवर्ड, इट वर्क्स परफेक्ट. तो ऑलमोस्ट रेडी है और थोड़ी देर के बाद इसको 5 से 6 घंटे के बाद वी विल स्लाइस इट. एंड नाउ दिस इज़ आफ्टर 6 hours. This is how it looks like. What we can do, so to handle this I have got two things together. One is cornstarch and one is icing sugar. So you can take equal quantity of icing sugar and cornstarch, mix in the bowl, just top it up with this. This way this becomes an easier to handle, and same way do it another side. We take out our frame one by one. So here you go with the chewy nougat. It's white, good mass, soft. While you're slicing, you will see an amazing color popping up from this candy. So let's begin with the slicing. That's our nougat is ready, and as I said, you can use with the different nuts. The pista I've used is the green pista, which is giving you color. No color added. You can use peanut, as I said in the beginning. Peanut is also good. The now most important, we ensure we pack this as soon as possible because the moisture contact is not really good for this candy. So we transfer this and then we will start packing. So बहुत interesting recipe है, elegant है, and it makes a delightful snacks. Try this recipe, tag and share with someone who loves baking.